now, before we end the show, we're going to check back in with Kwani. She is inside. She is down in Providence at Yellow Door Taqueria. And Kwani, you're mixing up some mocktails and cocktails for us this morning?
I am. As you may know, it is Sober October, so we're going to have a mixture. Colleen Haggerty is here, though. Ken is still here, of course. We're going to have a little early happy hour here at Yellow Door.
A little morning margarita.
Exactly. So you're going to show me how to make the coconut margarita, and I'm going to make the mango vibe only drink for you, Ken.
Mocktail.
Mocktail, specifically.
So,
all right.
You know, we're very well known for our classic margaritas, but it is Sober October, and people should still be able to have a great time at the bar and enjoy our tacos and a cocktail as well. So we have a little mocktail, mango vibes only.
Nice.
So in here you have mango, fresh lime, paprika or pumpkin seed, some pineapple guava, and a little bit of water.
Ah, that sounds tropical, refreshing. All right, so what's in? Oh, this was easy to open. So what's in the coconut margarita, which sounds self-explanatory?
In our coconut margarita, obviously tequila. Our super secret coconut mix that we're famous for that we'll never be able to tell you.
Okay, you won't tell us.
And then we have some naranja, which is a Mexican orange liqueur.
Ooh.
Fresh lime juice, and then we're gonna shake that up.
Okay, you can shake it up really quickly before we go.
Let's go.
And by the way, before we go, it is obviously you're fairly new to the area, but you have a lot of programming that's coming up. Where can we find more about it?
So you can on our Instagram, which is at Yellow Door Taco, or on our website, which is yellowdoortaqueria.com.
Yeah.
And then we have Taco Tuesday every Tuesday with $5 tacos.
Hey, we like a special.
And stay tuned because Day of the Dead is at the end of the month, and we'll have some pretty amazing food and drink specials for that holiday as well.
Well, there you go. Make sure you're following them at Yellow Door on Instagram. We're going to put some ice in there, and we're going to cheers to close out. Hannah, we're going to send it back to you one more time.
You guys are having the best time there this morning.
Cheers.
Okay, I'll have one.
I am so jealous. I am so jealous. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with us this morning. We have lots more here tomorrow on The Hub Today. We're taking the show on the road, so come hang out with us. We'll be back tomorrow.